Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2018 Toyota Tundra SR5 Crew Max TRD Sport XSP. Now that is quite a mouthful, but it is in the magnetic gray metallic exterior with the black cloth. Then come into our window sticker. Don't hold your breath because we've got plenty of options to go through. So as you can see, it is a four-wheel drive model and it starts out at $39,570. Ends up at $51,500. So as you can see, about 10 grand in options, a little over. But we do have the deck rail system, premium in-tune audio, as well as the TRD Sport package, SR5 upgrade package, TRD Sport convenience package, as well as the XSP package and phone charger for a total of $51,533. Gas mileage is going to be 13 city and 17 on the highway. But I do like this magnetic gray metallic exterior. As you can see, your XSP badging right there. TRD 4x4 Sport right there. And then coming down here to your wheels, we are riding on 20-inch alloy wheels with red brake calipers back there. As you can see, chrome tip exhaust, mud flaps. Coming around back, more of XSP badging, rear parking sensors, rear backup camera in your trailer hitch. And then coming in, go ahead and press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. Thankfully, we do have these step rails to assist getting in. And then we do have 6 miles on this one, so just go ahead and put your key in the ignition and twist to start. So let's go ahead and check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath the hood, we do have the 5.7 liter dual overhead cam I-Force V8. Does have dual variable valve timing with intelligence, producing 381 horsepower and 401 foot-pounds of torque, all going through a part-time four-wheel drive system and a 6-speed automatic transmission. We'll go ahead and close up our hood. As you can see, for 2018, we do have our LED headlights as well as LED accents, fog lights down below, and then your radar for your radar cruise is in your Toyota logo right there. Now before coming in, over in our side mirrors, they are going to be body color with your blind spot monitoring and they are heated. But coming in, we do have that black cloth interior. It does feel very durable with your power adjustments down below and power lumbar. Nice stitched padded upper door panel, padded armrest with your power windows and power locks. Door storage down below. Up here to the left of the steering wheel, we also do have our power mirrors, dome light, headlamp height, bed light, automatic high beams, and our power rear window. Coming to our steering wheel is going to be a 4-spoke urethane wrapped wheel. Audio as well as voice commands and Bluetooth. Over here, 4-way D-pad for that center LCD right there. You can go through things like range, vehicle maintenance, compass. You can display your audio settings, stuff like that. We also do have our radar cruise with lane keep assist right here. Cruise control is on a separate stalk. Over on the left, automatic headlights, fog lights, and blinkers. Tap to 3 blinks. And over on the right, variable and speed wipers. Over here on this side, we do have our parking sensors, traction control off, tow haul mode, as well as our trailer brake controller. Now coming to our audio system, checking out sources, AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to apps, we do have our navigation. It is a full-fledged head unit. Going to destination, you can input an address, select from a point of interest, and designate 6 different presets down below right there. Right here we do have our single zone manual climate control with fan speed, temperature, and zones, AC, recirc, as well as defrost. Then there's that part-time four-wheel drive controller right there. Down here, 2 12-volt power outlets as well as your USB and auxiliary. 6-speed automatic with sport mode and manual shift. Reverse, you have your rear view camera right there. 3 cup holders and a nice padded and stitched armrest. Plenty of room down in there with another 12-volt. Nice little organization tools up on the lid as well. Glove box damped with your phone charger down in there. Auto dimming rearview mirror with garage home link and compass. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with map lights and a little sunglass storage right here. So that's about it for the front seat. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Now coming back here. As you can see, with this being a Crew Max, absolutely limo-like room. With this front seat set for my 5'9" driving frame, I have probably like almost 2 feet of room between my knees and the back of the seat. AC vents, as well as a 12-volt power outlet. Nice padded armrest with cup holders. dome lights with your damped cornering handles and coat hooks. So there's plenty of room back here, plenty of amenities with your vents and your charging outlets. You do have one seat mount pocket right there. And then your door panel, you do follow through with the stitching up top, padding on your armrest, power window, and your door storage. You do have the ability to lift up your bottom cushion, so if you do want to store stuff back here to keep it from getting wet or stolen out of your bed, you can do that. And speaking of the bed, we'll go ahead and check that out right now. Coming around back, as you can see, your tailgate does lock with your key fob, or you can manually lock right there. You have your backup camera right there. It is a damp tailgate. You'd have a 5.5-foot double wall bed back here with the spray-in bed liner that is part of your XSP package. You'd have the deck rail system, or the bed rail system rather, and those tie downs are in the rear seat, so you can put little sliders on them, adjust, tie stuff down. You also have D-rings in all 4 corners. It is easy to lift up as well since there is that hydraulic assist. All your hookups down here for your trailers. And of course you can see your spare tire right there behind the license plate. So that's about it for this 2018 Toyota Tundra SR5 Crew Max TRD Sport XSP package. Now thank you guys for watching. If you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model, feel free to contact Massey Toyota. All the information is in the description below. So I'll see you in my next video.